Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will show you guys how to remove and replace the center vents, those right here in the middle on your dash on a Jetta MK6 or Volkswagen Golf MK6 from 2011, probably all the way until 2015-16. Stay with us guys, we're gonna show you how to do that now. Alright guys, so we're gonna pull anything that we have there. If you grab with your fingers right here, you can pry it a little bit, and if you get a prying tool, okay, you can just help it a little bit. Just be careful, a little bit at a time, don't go too much, because if you go too much you might crack it. It's very fragile there. Okay, and it's gonna come with the whole part right here. So there is a couple clips on this side, just the same way like the other one. Okay, need to open the door so we can access it from here somehow. And this is stuck a little bit here, the wheel, for some reason. Okay, almost came out, and now the one on this side as well. All we have left now is the wire for the emergency light, and you can see it from right here. So if you press down this thing, okay, need to get my finger there, you can actually pull it out, but it's a little bit limited room there. Okay, like that. And next thing that we have, the only thing that is holding is actually the that piece right here that's glued for the steering wheel. So if you need to remove that, it's gonna come out with the whole plastic right here. Okay, let me show you now how to do that quick. It's a little bit of a mess. So if you started with a prying tool guys, between the two right here, if you can get it in, okay, like that, it's gonna pop out. Okay, like that. And you will get the whole piece out of there. Okay, just like that. Alright guys, so that's how you remove the vents if you need to replace them. Hopefully the video was helpful guys. Don't forget to give us a like and please subscribe for more videos. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.